Hey, what's up, guys? It's Faisal here from New York, and I just wanted to give a very quick testimonial for my. I would love to call friend, but this is basically my silent mentor, Mr. Adeel Chowdhry. He's the one back in August 2010. He was throwing out some videos, how to make money online, and I came across one of those, and that was just a free video, and that kind of opened my mind. Back then, I used to deliver pizza for Domino's, believe it or not, and I got fired, and then I started looking online how to make money, and I knew something is better out there for me. I knew that I was going to do it. That's the only thing I wanted to do. I didn't want to work for anybody else. I wanted to be my own boss right now. Ever since, Adele opened my account, opened my idea about making money online. I've been making money for last 4 or 5 years, and it's all online. And it just happens. My finger hurt, by the way, right now, because tomorrow I have to go to IRS and pay taxes. And I just finished counting the money that I'm going to be paying the government tomorrow. And it's not a setup, guys. And this is all $100 bill, and tomorrow I'm going to pay this off to a US government. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that it is very much possible. So peace out, guys. I don't have any other time. Mwah.